Hi. How. You. Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. What I'm going to share with you today is something that is so simple and yet powerful. That is to echo your prospects' words. I mentioned in my previous session about the importance of note-taking so that we don't miss out any critical information. We can use it to echo what the prospects have told us. When we do that, the prospects cannot deny it and they will believe in it because it comes from their mouth. It is almost like a reminder of what they have told you, and I have seen how it is powerfully demonstrated during one of my purchases in the past. The salesperson asked me in the beginning why I was looking for a certain service. In other words, my problems that I was facing and what kind of results I was hoping to get. Then, during the sales conversation, when it comes to sharing the benefits of her service, she was very selective in her words and she intentionally picked the exact words that I had used earlier. Psychological studies have also shown that this echo effect can help to increase likability and improve social connections. For instance, if I were to tell you today that I would like to purchase an insurance policy for my children because I want to ensure they are well provided for so that I can have a peace of mind when I'm gone. If you are a financial advisor today, you can position your pitch in such a way to include keywords like children, well provided for, peace of mind. I would immediately feel that you heard me and can understand my concerns. When we echo our prospects' words, they will draw closer to us as they will feel that we are aligned with them and they feel understood. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques, so if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Do remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.